I hope you're doing well. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin is one of those pairs that moves every day, okay? So you could trade it anytime. And a lot of people were really surprised what was going on with Bitcoin as far as like the drop of the price. But 3 months ago, I got a video about 3 to 4 months ago. I already told people what was going on. And I could show you why I said what was going on, okay? So watch the details. So it's about, if it's the 31st, it's about to be the first tomorrow, right, of February, all right? So that means a new candlestick is gonna form tomorrow. You know what I mean? But look, let's look back. I got my crosshair already. That's this current month, last month, third month. There go the month I seen this. This is what I saw. You see how this blue moving average is underneath this orange moving average? I saw it crossed up in there. It was a little cross. And I know for a fact, based on the way I build algorithms, once the moving averages are crossed, when that blue moving average is underneath that orange moving average and one candlestick form, there is a new trend, okay? It was confirmed based on, based on this candle right here, where it's lined up with right there. Hold on, let me try to make this thing stop moving. All right, All right, right here. The one right here, okay? That second one, that's where it was confirmed at. And I said the price was going to be in a downtrend. Also, I said it was going to be there for the rest of the year. Like I said, I made a video about this, all right? But how you assume that's going to go down for the year, and how would you able to predict this? This is just price action. There's nobody bigger than the money. I don't care what Trump say, what Elon Musk say. Nothing is bigger than the money, even though sometimes they could say stuff that can affect it. Really, in reality, when it comes to trading, the price is already moving. The direction price is going to move with whatever you trade. It's just news just confirms it, basically. It gives it a reason, like they coming up with a reason why it's doing that. But the price is going to do what it do. That's all I know. Price do what it do. But look, let's back test this strategy. Let's back test this algorithm so I can show you why I say it's going to keep going down and why I was able to, come up with this conclusion. If the blue under orange means price goes down, the blue over orange means price goes up, right? All right. So what we're doing is back testing. Back testing is when you look at past performance of whatever your system is to see how it performed. And once you see that, you're able to make a better decision how to trade moving forward as far as presently. So that blue moving average was over the orange moving average the whole time, right? You see it, right? And it started doing that by the month at the bottom around at the end of 2022, December. But right here is when it started going over around March, February, okay? The whole time it was over, that orange price went up the whole time. Okay, let's back test some more. Look, blue moving average, underneath orange moving average, crossed under one candlestick, price went down, right? Let's keep back testing. Let's keep back testing. Right here. Blue went over orange, right up in there. That was about, what day was that? About August 2020. Price went up the whole time. And that's in 2020. That's 5 years ago. And I could keep going on and on and on, but it was kind of flat most of the rest of that time. That's what we just started really seeing it go up in 2020 and all that. But that's what's presently going on. So if it keeps doing the same thing that's been doing that in the past, what you think it's going to do? You know what I mean? If you want this algorithm, you could purchase this algorithm. You could use this on anything that you trade. You know what I mean? As far as like software, whether MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, CTrader, Trade Locker, the algorithms work. You know what I mean? You just got to get the information from me. And also, if you want to use this broker is awesome. This is Liquid Broker. Per lot size is only $8 per lot size. Once you trade with this company, also it's 500 leverage, very low spread. I got a video talking about it. But I mean, that's the end of this video. I'm just trying to show y'all this algorithm. That's why Bitcoin is falling, for everybody wondering why it's going to fall. In the background, you heard my alert system. I got an alert system that goes off every time price do something. I got a lot of things that help people make money. Yeah, I'm making money with this. I'm about to be Really, I've been spending a lot of time developing algorithms. So now I'm about to use my algorithms. I took a lot of time. This right here, what you're looking at, is my very first algorithm I was promoting for years. But I was trading on a 1 hour time frame. So though it worked, I would make money but lose the money again because such a large retraces. Like if the price is going up, it would retrace at a certain point. Let me show you. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. Then it'll make sense to you. So I'm going to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Perfect. So you see that white moving average now? There's a white moving average, right? Right up in here. All that white moving average. Okay. That's a slower moving average following the overall direction the price is going as well. So you see how the blue moving average, right? Let's just say when underneath the orange, when price go down, when blue under the orange, right? So let's say I would have made that profit, boom. But then got up in here, I would have gotten in profit. Got in trade by right here, right? But by the time it crossed over and up in here, I would have lost my money back from whatever here. See what I'm saying? Then from down here, yeah, you can make more money trading the direction the overall trend is going, basically, when it comes to the hour. But if you're just taking every trade, you're going to lose some money. Just like right here. When the blue went over the orange right there, the price was going down. And it's about an hour. So imagine trading like this by the hour, or even trading this by the hour. You see how it's consolidating a lot? You would have been losing money by the hour. Though you've been making money, you've been losing the money too, right back. So I'm saying? So that's why, I got a new algorithm where I trade from the 1 minute time frame. Basically, imagine trading what you see based on the hour time frame. Based on the 1 minute time frame. So you're getting in these trends a lot easier and a lot quicker. And that's basically my video. Like this perfect example. You know what I mean? This is not the algorithm that I'm selling, but you see how that white moving average right there, how everything, all the candlesticks and the moving averages are over the white moving average. That means it's trending up. And when all that is underneath the white line, it's trending down. It's that simple. Y'all DM me if y'all want more information.